next game is called sound effects. For this, I'm going to need 2 volunteers from the audience who don't mind making a little sound into a microphone. Anybody? Any takers? This side? Oh, I know. They will be on. I need 2 people. Well, of course. Yeah. John, why not? I need 1.
John's a professional.
We got one? Okay, let's send it back. Okay, so the way this game will work is for anything that's happening on location that impacts Aaron or is coming from Aaron, John, you're in charge of making that sound. And I don't know who got it back there. You're on mark. All right, so the way this will work is let's test it out. Aaron, let's say you're doing some gardening. Go to work. Let's see what that sounds like. That's gardening. There we go. Mark, you're trying to start the car and it's having some trouble. Let's what that sound like. Okay. Yeah, we get it. So the deal is they have to do the sounds that you imply in the room. So if you make a sound, that's happening. It's real. And I need a location for them to be doing this scene. Where's a place that maybe there's a lot of things to interact with, a lot of sounds going on?
Arcade.
Warehouse.
Warehouse is broad enough. Let's go with that. All right.
Hold on, I gotta back up this forklift.
Yeah. I wish I could be forklift certified like you.
Well, hop in and give her a whirl. Every day's a good day
To learn.
What the fuck is... Oh, stop the car! Stop not the car! Stop the fucking forklift! What are you doing? Get out! I've never heard it make that noise before. I didn't know. I've been certified for years. I've never heard it. You all right, Bessie?
It's alive!
Listen, I don't have the insurance money to cover this. Is it lunch yet? My stomach's growling. Sorry, that's my stomach. Sometimes when I get aggravated, my stomach.
Hey, I got some Rolaids here. Let me screw off the top of those. It was hot in my back pocket. They got
Got like any water or anything with you? I can wash this down?
I can use the pump over here.
Are you beatboxing? What are you doing over there? Why do you get water?
I'm choking.
Thank you.
Can I try?
Honestly, for giving me that.
Can I try the forklift again?
I was just about to certify you. Honestly, without seeing it, I was gonna say you're certified, but let's see it. No. Let's see it again. You brought it up. Put your hard hat on.
Oh.
Hey, listen, I don't want to hear you moan like that again.
To be honest, sir, this is a sensual experience.
For who?
For me, I'm gonna raise the forks.
Yeah.
You're in the ceiling!
Ready?
Watch out now. Put it apart.
Can you certify me? Can you knight me? With my hard hat.
I moan that time. I do.